Hello everyone, welcome back to this live stream. And how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. And so this is the I think very long time I'm doing a live stream. So I remember the first live stream I did in lockdown time 2020, and after that I'm doing now. So how you guys are doing? So I can see in the chats. Yeah. So we are setting up the live stream. That's why the sound is coming. So yeah, we will definitely give project file also. So as you guys already saw the thumbnail, we going to do a keying series. So this is not just a one live stream where we're doing the from start to end. So this will be a part by part live stream series. So in this first one, we will do alpha creation only. And I'm not the only one here. We have another member from Granite Imagery. So he will join very shortly. So meanwhile, I will quickly show you the plates and what we are going to do. Let me just full screen this thing. All right. So let me just quickly import the plate and then we will start the shot. So this is the shot we have, and you guys already know this is from Action VFX. So let me just quickly set up the color space first. So you can see this is the Rexon 9 plate. So as I'm using a SS here, you can see SS 1.2, and this is a Rexon 9 plate. All these things they already mentioned in their website in the Action VFX. So yeah, I need to set my viewer also to Rexon 9. Let me quickly do it. So now you can see the proper color. All right, and if I play, you can see this shot. So it's very simple, but when she's firing, you can see the reflections. No, sorry, not the reflection, the lighting change. Obviously, she's firing a gun, and that's why we see this much light interaction. And we will see how to retain all these things in the keying process. And also, we will going to see how to add the background and the front glass. So this is like a ship or something, spaceship or something. So she's inside. So we need that canopy like this. Like let me just draw quickly. I have one tool, so I can draw and you guys can easily understand. So like this, like a canopy type, right? So we will try to do that in 3D or in COP. As we go further, we will see how we're going to achieve that thing. So this is the idea. We are going to add background and keying basically, and the glass as it is, as I said. All these things we are going to add. Where I can found a VFX freelance job offer, and in now a tough situation ahead outside, please give some tips. VFX freelance job. What do you mean by VFX freelance job? You need a job, right? Or you need a freelance work? Can you explain a bit? What exactly do you want? You want a full-time job or you want a freelance work? Okay, I just need to see how many. Hey, wait, let me turn on your camera. Are you ready now? Yeah, okay. Can you, yeah. So guys, so we have a Granite Imagery with us. Those guys are working Kalki. You can, I think you already saw many times. I share a lot and in their website also. You can see I mentioned their name. So you can, if you don't have watched that breakdown, you can go and watch the breakdown. So this is Noman. So the basic idea is we will both doing this live stream and we will both sharing our own tips and tricks in this full form. So this is not just doing a keying and adding a background and that's it. So this is like we are doing a full creative process from start to end, showing you the technical stuff and the creative side also, how to do the keying and how to add a realistic background, what are the things you need to require in order to look real, not in terms of edges and all those things, in a creative way also. how many changes we get, and in the creative side, what is the process of doing stuff. So very small things is matter in if you work in large studio. So Noman also controlling my PC, so he will do some part of the keying, and he will add a background and all those things. So we will do together. It's not like and we will also helping each other also in the stream, so you guys can understand how the teamwork is happening in the studio also. So this is exactly the same scenario we are going to recreate here, just helping each other to get the best result from this plate. So we're doing a lot of stuff. Yeah. Yes, correct, exactly. So currently, let me just quickly just share my stuff. So I'm currently working in ILM, and before I was in MPC. So now after MPC, I just joined ILM. And Noman, you can tell if you want. You can tell your sides. Wait. Oh, sorry. I think wait. I just forgot. I think your voice is not coming. Wait. Someone just made a thank you for that. Just quickly.
Vishal.
Yeah, volume up. Yeah. Now you can start. Yeah. Sorry,
Hello.
guys. Yeah. Now it's visible. Yeah. So tell yourself a little bit. I know you already tell many times in the podcast also, but just
Yeah.
people are alive, so they want to hear your intro and your work in
Mm-hmm.
Kalki and all those things.
So basically, I used to work at MPC. Then I joined Outpost as a freelance artist, and then me and my friends started this Granite Imagery studio.
Mhm.
So we have worked on like short films and feature film. This Kalki, like this year we have worked on Kalki.
Yeah, Kalki was the really interesting thing to see, in your website and all.
Mm-hmm.
And your breakdown is like is little, is got many views. I think
Yes.
200K, right? 200K plus, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah, that's really nice. Okay, so I will tell you, Naman, how you going to start this shot, because I don't want to waste too much time about discussing about yourself and myself. Let's start the comp so people can enjoy, and they can ask question if they have anything related to this
Mm-hmm.
shot.
So
So
first thing first, uh,
first
we
thing
will.
we need to set the project setting, right? Because I
Yes.
haven't did that. So let me set so you can continue. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah. So obviously first thing you set the project setting. Make sure you check the plate, the resolution and the frame rate. So the frame rate is by default 24 and the plate is 2K. So I'm going to set it here, DCP, I guess. Yeah,
Mm.
you can see here it's a set DCP. And color space, as I already told you, we are using SS 1.2. So now we are all set, and make sure in the viewer you also have to set the proper color space. Otherwise, if you set something else, it will look horribly wrong. So make sure you check where you download the footage and what is the color space. So here is by default saying Rexo 9, and I cross check in the Action VFX website. They also mention it. This is the Rexo 9 plate. So that's why, and Apple ProRes 422 HQ.
Mm.
All right. So let me set it back. So it's looking good. Okay, Noman. So now what we do now? Just you can
Do you
explain a
have
bit.
any like template or we have to create
Yes, this is
something?
the second most important thing. When you
Mm.
working in a studio or something, there is always a template for
Mm.
specific sequence. Like every sequence is different and every project is different. So template also different in every project and every sequence. So but for the keying, there is like when you comp a shot, there is very big script, and the
Mm.
keying part is very small in that section in the comp script. Okay, so for that we have keying template in studio also. And when we work personally, we also try to do the templating thing here also. So that's why Noman asked about the, do I have a template or something. But I have a template, but I don't want to just import the template and start doing a keying. I want to build a
Mm.
template from scratch, so everyone can understand how to build a template, and they can
Mm-hmm.
save the template also, and then they can work on the keying shot. Any keying shot you can work in a template.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay.
Mm. So
Yeah,
Uh,
Noman, you can build if you want. Otherwise, I will do.
no, no, you build this
Okay.
thumbnail.
Okay. So as I said, Noman also controlling my PC, so he will do some stuff, then I will do the some stuff. So it's like a back and forth. Okay. So we have a plate. First thing, we need a background. So currently we don't have a background. So for the background, I will use just a normal checkerboard. Just use my background. And if I just comp this one, so this is like A over B, right? So this is this. So let me just make it bigger. Like this. Let me put it this one. So guys, this is live. So this is not like my tutorial. I'm not skipping anything. So stay with me. And by the way, I'm using what we call the backdrop helper. So I will put the link down below. So this is one of my friend who made this backdrop helper. It's very nice. I can just press shift B and I can just uh, type, or I can select any of these presets. I need to see the BG, and I can easily add a background, sorry, the
Hmm.
backdrop, and then I can select this one. I can go into this menu and I can just select the border and the fill and the thickness of the line and color here very quickly. So highly recommend. I will put the link below if you don't know about this one. Okay. So for the king, we set this plate here. Let me add one dot here. Okay. So for the king, let me just use this one to explain you a bit. Okay. So for the king, we need two input here and one input here and one input here. Okay.
Hmm.
So this one here we will using soft key first of all. So this is our soft key, and here we will using our hard key. Okay.
Hmm.
And then we will create those things and we will combine them together here with the merge
Hmm.
node.
Hmm.
Okay. After doing this, we will do a despill. So I always do a despill in a two stages. One with the core despill that will only contain the hard edges of this entire plate, like this, only hard edges, because we have a very fine hair detail also. And in the second one, we will do a
Yes,
edge
this one.
despill right here.
Hmm.
So this, so I think, so this is the stuff we are doing in production also. Let me just select and despill here and here. We will do despill, edge despill here, core despill here, and then we will key mix them here.
Mix it. Hmm.
All right. And then in the here we will add like alpha copy. We copy that alpha from here, and then we will do pre-melt. Okay. So this is the basic setup here. Let me just quickly set uh, so you can understand. Okay. So let me add a dot. Let me add another dot. Let me add one more dot, and this is like a soft key. So in the soft key, as you know, we need to create a clean plate and all those things. So everything will come here, and this is our core key. So this core key, I always like to use Primate. I don't know about you, Noman, what you're using, but I like to use
Yeah.
Primate. So I'm adding here. I'm just quickly set this, and if I check the alpha, guys, let me know if I'm going too fast or not, so I can go a little bit slow in the process. Okay.
Hmm. Is
Okay.
this denoise plate or
Oh
like?
yeah, yeah. Thank you for reminding. So this is not a denoise plate. So we will quickly add a denoise plate here. So I will add a new denoiser here very quickly, or we can add reduce noise. But let's use this one and see how much noise we can reduce. So this is another. I mean, this is the first thing. Okay, always use denoise plate for your keying.
Hmm.
All right. So I think we are removing some of the noise. Let me just see. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, I think for the streaming purpose, I think this is fine. Let me just increase a bit. So I did nothing. I just add a denoise node, and this is the sample area. I'm just moving here in the green area where it will automatically select the noise, and make sure you turn on GPU if you have. And then if you want to reduce more, you can just increase denoise amount here. You can see. I don't know if you can see in this one. Oh, let me do the full screen. I think I accidentally did that. Yeah. All right. We can see the noise reduction.
Hmm.
Guys, what part you involve in Kalki VFX? Yeah, Noman, someone is asking what part you involve in the Kalki VFX. Can you explain while I'm
Yeah. So
setting
like
up the
we.
denoise plate? Yeah.
So Charlie, we did a lift sequence, that complex lift inside that complex, and we did that Gandiva Gandiva part, that counselor Bani room sequence we did.
Channel merge. So now I'm adding a channel merge to combine two keys. So our core key will be on top of this soft key. So this is like this setup. Just quickly set this. So it's like this. And I always, rename. I add a dot here. I always try to rename. So this is like core mat, like this. Let me just bold this one like this. I think I accidentally pressing the key, then it will doing this stuff. Okay. And for this one, let's use a soft key.
Soft key. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So this is this we have. So this is like we are combining two keys together. That's it. And then we want to do a D spill. So I'm adding a one dot here and doing this and just making it like this. And so one dot will come here, and I like to use, there are many D spill nodes. So which one you use, Naman? What is your favorite one?
I personally use AP Dispel and Dispel Madness.
Hmm. Yeah. So I also use, this AP D spill.
AP Dispel. Yeah.
Yeah. So let's take AP D spill. So if you guys don't know, if you don't have this one, make sure you install this Nuke Survival
Nuke
Toolkit.
Survival Toolkit.
Then
Yeah.
you can have many tools. They're all free. So make sure you have that. So I'm just placing this thing because we are just creating a template. We are not doing a D-spill right now. I'm just adding this one. And for this one, we need to use a key mix to combine both D-spill together. So let me just connect this one here quickly. Let's add a dot. Now we have this. Okay. So when we combine the alpha, let's use a copy node and add this to this main pipe where we're doing the D-spill. Then add this thing here like this, and then we need to add a pre-mult. All right. After doing pre-mult, so this is your basic keying setup here. Then you can do your stuff here if you have any like light trap or anything you want to merge, any extra stuff you can do here. But then at the end, you need to merge with that background. So now we have this constant, but in the upcoming series, we will have a very nice background. No one already made something, so we will see that in that upcoming series. Okay. Let me just remove those things. And let me quickly add this setup, what we call the denoise setup. So you always use a dark grain for denoise. In the studio, we also have this dark grain. It's pretty good
for regrain.
Yes. Oh yeah, sorry, for regrain. Okay. Yeah. So let me. So I need to add one dot here because I need denoise plate. So what I can do, I can just connect here.
Okay. Let's do this thing now. Create one channel and.
Yeah, we can do that also. Yeah. So let's create a channel. So you can see I have a plate here and I have a denoise here. So make sure you render this one. Okay. I'm not rendering right now. So let me just play this like no. Let me just quickly do it like this. Okay. So I can add one shuffle here. I will show you how I did if I keep this, if I want to keep this live, how I do. So I can place this one here, and because I connected in a B pipe directly, so this is like very simple channel creating with the shuffle node. So I can take the B pipe, and this is the B input is coming in RGBA, and output also going RGBA. Okay. So in between, I'm creating one new channel, and I'm just calling denoise plate.
Denoise plate.
Okay, that's it. Click RGBA, so it will fill everything automatically. Just hit OK. That's it, and close this one. So now if I view in the channel bar, you can see I have a denoise plate here. So RGBA and the denoise plate, they will look same. Okay, because it's just the same thing, right? But the advantage of creating here, and make sure here I don't want to merge twice, because it's merging all channel twice. So I'm just setting this RGBA. Okay, so it will only calculate the B pipe, because this channel is going in this direction also, and it is going this direction also and coming back again. So it's like merging twice. There is no need to do that. Okay, so let's do that, and then we have this pre-merge, and in the merge, make sure we need to include that channel also. So in the merge, there is one section called this also merge. Okay, so in this one you can just use add the plate also. So now the plate is coming from A pipe and we're adding into B pipe. So that means after merging, we can, just use shuffle to extract that channel. Let me connect this one. And if I view here, you can see it's the D spill, but I want that original plate, denoise plate. So I can select this one. You can see now it's replaced and it's a denoise plate. Okay. Now let's connect this one here. Let me add a dot here. Okay, so after connecting D-grain plate, we need a plate also. So that's why you can see that's why I'm keeping this live, to show you the power of channel creation. So after denoise plate, I added a shuffle, so it will create a denoise plate. Okay, if I add one more shuffle here, it will create a plate grain. So here we can see the grain, and here we're not able to see the grain. So I can add one shuffle here also. All right, and leave it here, and this is my plate. So this is, I'm not recommending doing this kind of stuff. Always render your plate. Okay, I'm not rendering right now. I will do after the stream end. I will do in the second part. You will see the actual denoise plate EXR output. Okay, so in this one, let me add a plate, and because I want to show you the whole process from scratch, that's why I didn't render the denoise plate. Okay, so now this shuffle, it's a plate shuffle. Okay, but it's very hard to see what this shuffle is. So what I can do, I can open this shuffle and I can go into node tab, and you can see it's saying RGBA because the here value is in. So I want this plate name, so it's saying out one. So in the value in, I can just say out. See, out one is already, it automatically shift to plate, because if I select any of it will change. So I want to stay the plate. So I can see, yeah, so this is a plate shuffle. I will do the same thing for this one. Let me just change the name. Out. Yeah, so I can see easily. So this is the denote shuffle and this is the plate shuffle. All right, all clear here?
Yes.
Okay. If anyone have any questions, please let me know. Okay, I don't know how many of you are watching right now. I can't see it. That's fine. Okay, so now let me just copy this shuffle, place it in this other side, and let's add a dot. And yeah, I need to add that channel here in the shuffle. So now we have a two channel we need to add, but I can select only one. So the best way, we can do the all. So it will include the all channel. Just select your drop down menu, select all channel. That's it. And then you can shuffle out that plate. Now you can see the plate here. And if I view this one, you can see we have a noise. Here we don't have noise. Now I can just connect plate to plate, and I'm not doing any calculation here because I will do it after, because this is just a template. So let me just put it down like this. What is the time? Okay, so after this one I can add a write note. After this one, make sure you add a reformat and crop. These two things are very important. Okay, and then you can add a write note and add a backdrop, and this is like output. So we have output somewhere here, yeah, final output. So this is the backdrop, and this is your very basic keying setup is ready. So we have a plate here. We are doing HD spill and 4D spill. Same we are doing like soft key and core key. Then we are merging them and then copying that alpha to here and pre-multing, and then we can do whatever the stuff in between, and then you can merge with the background, and then you can do regrain and then just output this thing. Okay, and if you have any like camera shake or anything, you can just add here. Okay, the grain will be the last, and before grain you can add your lens distortion level also. So this is very simple setup. So I hope I did correctly, Oman. If you want to add anything here, you can add.
No.
Yeah, you can control. Yeah.
Just one. Guys, always use this shuffle method, like create channel and use, because it's very useful and it will keep your script very clean. So I personally like this method, like create a channel and bypass all this through. So try to use this method. Use shuffle.
Yep. Someone in the comments saying make a video on detail hair key on bad key shot now or after. Yeah, we will do it. Uh, but the thing is, whatever we're going to show in this shot, it will apply to all the plates, whether the plate is very bad keying or a good. I mean the good key, the plate. I mean the background. Okay, you have to understand how you're going to, how you are keying the plate. It's not about the plate quality. I mean you have wrinkles in the background, the plate have wrinkles in the back. So it's about the method. Okay, if you are using a key light or anything like that, then your wrinkles will come. But if you are using like node, if you are using like IBK, which we are going to use in this shot, no man, you can set up IBK.
Mhm. So
So
are we going to use that
yep,
IBK color master or?
that is another thing I want to ask you. So I already
Mhm.
have that video about IBK color master. One of my
Mhm.
friends Shubham, he made that tool. It's very awesome. I highly recommend you guys to check that tutorial first, check that tutorial and install that tool. So I think
Mhm.
this one is the latest one, right? Version 3.2, right? Yeah, I
Mhm.
think it's the latest one. Yeah. So in the tool, in the information section, you can also see my video about how I made. He added my name in the bottom. I think this is the latest one, right? This IBK thing is Gizmo, right? Yeah. In the Nuke, the IBK node and the IBK Gizmo and IBK color is a Gizmo. It's not built in. So you can open that node here. Yeah. So this is a Gizmo.
So this is default IBK color,
Mm.
and we have IBK color master.
So someone is asking how to retain mirror like reflection, means some object is reflecting and I want to recover it fine green screen or blue. Okay. Yeah, so this is like very common question we get, how to recover the reflection and all those things.
Hmm.
So recently I think Noman did many shots like this. So
Yeah.
we're not going to tell you what are the short there, because it's in production shot. But
Hmm.
I think he
So,
did. He will explain in the upcoming how we did that thing in
hmm.
this one also, because in this one we also have a reflection. Okay, if you play the shot now, I mean that lighting thing, it's reflecting, right? If you play the shot,
Hmm.
Noman.
I think
So
he's asking like that
ref-
car mirror reflection or something.
yeah, I understand.
Mhm.
But the method is
Mhm.
same, right? If you
Yeah, method is same. Yeah.
see this plate, and if I move it here, like,
Mhm.
yeah, see this thing, right?
Mhm.
You can assume this thing as a reflection. You can, okay.
Mhm.
So
Yes.
how we can recover these things? So if I want to recover this, and if I want to add back on my what we adding canopy, right? We are adding a canopy. So
Mhm. Yes.
we need to add this thing also, right? So
Mhm.
we will going to see how to do that. So it's very similar thing.
Mhm.
Okay, so in this one we will show you the IBK also, and this IBK color also. So the
Mm-hmm.
default IBK.
Mm-hmm.
And for that, I have the setup, Norman. You know that link setup IBK stack.
Mm-hmm.
I have that. You can use that first
No, no.
to make
Then
that.
I will do this IBK color method,
Yeah, yeah,
color
yeah, yeah.
master. You can do this old method.
Cool, cool. Yeah, fine, totally
Mm-hmm.
fine. Okay. So Norman will show you the IBK color master.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. IBK color
Meantime, I
master.
will watch. I will read the comments. What
Mm-hmm.
people are saying.
So first thing we will make one clean plate, very nice clean plate for soft key and for additive key. Hmm. So so we can see it's fully black. So we will change dark values here.
Okay, yeah. Someone is asking like, yeah, yeah, Karan. I saw your, whatever is sharing on my server. We will discuss. There are some issue. I think you are missing something. So you can see Norman is doing and how he making a clean plate. Make sure you follow
Mhm.
the steps. So
Hmm.
then I think you don't have an issue.
So
If you still facing the issue, then we will help.
so I am changing this intensity here in dark values because it's fully like black. We don't need this kind of like a- area. We need only our foreground plate. So we will adjust this intensity and we will also change in light for.
Yeah, I think only take care the edges. So the core we can fill it with the roto
Mm-hmm.
also. That's
Mm-hmm.
not the issue because
Mm-hmm.
this shot is very static. And guys,
Mm-hmm.
always make sure you analyze your plate first. What I mean, the motion. What is the motion in your plate? So as I said, Norman, don't care about the feeling to feeling that inside much because this shot is very static. We can fill with the
Mm-hmm.
roto. Only we need to take
Hmm.
care about the edges.
So in IBK Color Master, we already have this
Yeah,
exclude mask, so
yeah.
we can just draw roto
Yeah, I already
like
talk about these things in my
one garbage
tutorial.
roto,
Yeah, so
so
it
it
will
will
fill.
automatically fill our
Yeah,
core area.
basically we need to remove the character entirely without
And
affecting the
this stuff.
background.
Hmm.
Yeah, the green screen.
So we can do like a very one garbage roto here like that, and
Okay.
we can animate after this. And also, I have another method. One of my friend taught me. Do you have this TM that gear TX gear? Yes, this U gear. So what we gonna do? We will create one. We'll create alpha.
So this one is like this is this node, this TXU here you can find on Wikipedia. So Norman is doing very very advanced level because this is how he work, and that is how he do in production also.
So basically, I will create one rough alpha from this U gear, and then I will directly connect this exclude mass in here. I will tell you what it will happen. We just need to. Hmm.
Let's see if this work.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah, just reduce I think white point a little bit. I think that
Hmm.
then it will fix.
Hmm. We will do one garbage roto here, and we directly connect this pipe here. So
You guys can do roto, or you can do the basic
see,
key
so
also.
it
Yeah,
will automatically fill over
yep,
this area. We don't have to animate
yeah,
this
roto.
roto.
Yeah. So this is
So
like Noman, always bit lazy, so he don't
mm,
want to animate rotos and all those things. So he try these tricks. So there is no
actually,
use of
this
roto.
mhm,
It's very
one
simple.
of our colleague taught me this
Mm,
method, and we
mm.
can slightly dilate. So we have this hair detail now. We will do garbage roto for this small hair
Yeah, yeah,
later.
yeah. We
But
have to
first
do.
thing,
We have to do. Yeah, yeah.
and
We will just quickly set up this thing.
hmm,
Yeah, little bit erode.
we'll
Yeah,
do road
yeah.
and
That's
then
fine, I guess. Yeah,
hmm, then patch roughly.
yep. That's a
So
very nice
we
feature.
will take care this hair later
Yeah, yeah. Later we will do.
using Roto. So
Yeah.
now we have like a very nice clean plate, I
Yep.
think.
Yep. 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 Those are the light
Mhm,
reflection. Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
mhm, mhm. So
So
this is
now he did
this is our
very nicely. He didn't use the roto. If I
hmm,
was there, I will definitely use roto, because for my opinion, it's very simple way to do that, because this shot is very simple. If the shot is
mhm,
complicated, then I will definitely try to use some other techniques, like what he
mhm,
used, Hugh Kier and all those things.
mhm,
That's fine. Yeah.
mhm.
Continue.
So this is our soft key. I highly recommend always do one pre-comp after this clean plate, because sometimes it will become very heavy for render. If you guys have like not higher spec, uh, then
Higher resolution plate,
hmm,
like so this
hmm,
plate is now is 2K, but in production we get 4K plate also. And
so hmm,
this IBK stacking, whatever we are doing, this IBK also we are doing stacking. It's create very its calculation is very high heavy. So
hmm,
always do a precom for your clean plate, then use IBK Gizmo.
so now IBK
You can
Gizmo.
use that button in that IBK color
Yeah, yeah,
master.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. This button.
handy feature. Yeah, like this.
Hmm.
So we need to connect. I think it's not connected.
No, no, it's already connected here.
Yeah, in the bottom one node is
Okay,
not
okay,
connected.
okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
This is a little bug, I guess. I don't know. Yeah,
Hmm. So we have this soft key
yeah.
now.
In the
Uh,
gizmo, I think we need to on that, that color luminance thing.
luminance match, yeah.
Yeah. Let's see how. Yeah. See, it's
Yeah, yeah,
helping a
sure.
lot, right?
Hmm.
Yeah.
So we are missing this small hair detail, but
Yeah.
we will take care after,
Yeah. You
like
can
in
show
next step.
here in
Yeah.
this one also
Hmm.
how to recover those things.
Hmm.
So for those small hair detail, we have to do roto. There is no other way. Okay.
We
You
have to do
can try
rotor.
different keys, but that will create more complicated setup. It's not
Hmm.
required. You can just add one roto and just exclude that mask. That's it. Everything is fine.
Hmm.
Always find simple and fast way to do that,
Hmm.
and make
Yeah.
sure you get
Right.
the quality also.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Correct. So like this is IBA color master method using TX gear.
Yeah.
So I personally like this method. It's like very simple, and like you don't have to animate rotos. So I
Yeah.
personally use this method. So now you can
Yeah.
show
Tell
your
no, I will
hmm.
show. Tell how you do the core method. So as I said, I use Primate. What is your
Yeah, so
what is
like
your
two
choice?
three methods I am using. Like
Hmm.
of course primate I can use, and then I can use this IBK Gizmo as a core mate,
Yeah, you can
because we
show
have
them
very
how to do,
hmm,
how you are
because
using.
we have very good clean plate, right?
Hmm.
So what I will do, I will copy this same setup.
Yep, people are talking. Yeah, you can use key light for core keys. See, for the core keys, you can use any key you want.
Hmm.
There is no rule that you need to use primer or you need to use this or this. Make sure you don't have a holes in your core key.
Hmm.
Okay,
So like
that
if
is
we
the
see, we
yeah.
have like so
So
many
this is soft
holes.
key. That's why we have
Hmm.
holes, and that is totally
Hmm.
acceptable because this is a soft key.
And this primate, so we are getting these
Yeah.
holes and thing. So first try primate first. So if we clean BG,
No, it's FG. Yeah, FG. Yeah, clean FG first. Then
yeah,
we'll
sorry, clean FG
yeah.
noise.
Yeah. Edges don't need to be perfect in this core mat.
Hmm.
We only need to care about the what inside the core area.
Hmm.
Yeah, I think this much is fine, I guess. Yeah.
Then I will clean this
Yeah.
noise. See,
Yeah.
so we are facing these issues sometime.
Yeah. Correct.
So,
Correct. Yeah. Here it's removing, but
so
here
you
it's
can
not removing.
do like this thing grade up and
Hmm.
like add grade, select alpha channel,
Hmm.
and like we can do this uh primate. But I personally like this method. Like we already have this clean
Yeah. Alpha. Yeah.
alpha.
Soft
So
mat.
what I will do, I will just add one grade here. I will select alpha channel. I will slightly down gamma. See,
Make
so
make make sure you do the clamp, white clamp.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Always do white clamp because see, our alpha value is 4
Yeah.
here. You can show that zoom thing, na, right?
Yeah. Yeah. You can press two, F2, F2. Yeah.
Okay, okay. See,
Yeah. And you can click again. It will be gone. You'll free to move.
okay.
Yeah.
So our alpha value is 3 now because we did this black point thing. That's why like it's 3. So what we will do, we will click white clamp. So it will clamp our value.
One only. Yeah.
See, now it's 1. So now we have this core mat. We can do one like garbage roto here for this line.
Hmm.
But let's take here.
Yeah. We can just slide the white point. I think it will fail.
So
Or
for
I.
now, we
Yeah.
can now see this hole.
Yeah.
We are not having this like any hole.
Yeah. So
So
how to check the holes?
so you can like reduce gamma here in viewport. So you will automatically can see like holes. See,
Yeah.
we have
Correct.
like
Correct.
small hole.
Correct.
Hmm. So now what I did, I just crunch over soft key for making hard mat.
Hmm.
So I personally like this method because we are not facing that noisy pattern in BG using primate.
Yeah. Correct. So
This
what is the next step
hmm.
about your format? Yeah.
Then I
Connect this
will
one. Hmm.
hmm. This is my method.
Hmm.
Hmm. So see, now we are adding core mat. Now we have to just like erode this core mat till the like we only need inside, right? We have this very
Yeah.
nice soft edges
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
So
Correct.
I use like we can use erode and so many nodes
Hmm.
are there, but
Yeah.
hmm, I will use this Kichu. You can use this Kichu. We have inside this Nuke
Nukepedia.
survivor.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry. Nukepedia. Nuke survival toolkit.
hmm So I will just shrink inside.
Yeah. I think you need to shrink a lot, I guess. Yeah.
hmm
Yeah. Here also. See. I think. Yeah.
Now see, we are only affecting our this area, core area. We are not affecting edge area, core like soft mat. I
Correct.
think we have to do like a multiple Kichu, like one Kichu for this area, one
Correct.
Kichu for this area, and one Kichu for this area.
Yes. Correct.
Because see here we are losing core.
Yeah. We can do post blur also, right? So we can soften that.
But yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah. So it will make the transition smoother, basically.
But see here we are facing like
Yeah.
some.
Yeah. 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 For the head, we need to do separate because there are a lot of hair, right? It's very
Hmm.
semi-transparent, so it's not
Hmm.
hard mat.
Hmm.
Yeah. Here we need to do
So
separate.
mhm.
Yeah. I think this much is fine. What you
For
did. So
now,
this
yeah.
is, yeah. I think so. I can take care from here.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So I think, yeah. So this is Noman did. I think Noman, you can basically whatever you use, you can uh, directly use from here also, right?
Hmm.
Instead of creating, so it will calculate again. We need to pre-comp and all those things. So we can
Hmm.
just use it from here and like this.
Hmm.
Let me just move it here like this, right? And
Yes.
you can tell, yeah, this is our core key. We can still have that. We can as a template thing, we need to keep this here, but we can
Hmm.
do like this, right?
Yes,
So
correct.
I'm using this one as a core element. And why is not adding a dot? Okay, leave it. Okay, so this is how we did. Let me just quickly do one thing. I will show you. So these small things, now these small 1 pixel thing, now we can easily fix. There is one small trick I want to show you. No
Yes,
one,
zero.
meanwhile, you can check the chat. Yeah, you can use this filter erode. Okay, this one. You can use this filter erode and do the opposite operation. So by default it's saying 1. I can do -1. It will fail, but it is growing the edge, growing the alpha, right? We don't want that. We only want to fill the inside. So you can do this one, and I can just copy paste this one, and in the second one I will do 1. So it will get revert back. But while this is doing, you can see the holes are fill it, this thing, and then you can do the key chew. Because if I view from key chew, you can see this 1 pixel hole is getting bigger because of this thing. And if I do the expose down, you can see we have that hole still.
Hmm.
Okay, if I do this thing, gone, there is no hole. If I do the gamma down, now we can see the solid core after doing this. So make sure you do the gamma down and check is there any hole available or not. See these many
Uh,
holes, we remove it.
Pro VFX asking, what about median?
Yeah,
Median nodes. Yeah.
you can use median, but personally I never use those. I find those nodes are little bit heavy to calculate. This is very simple. This is like a blur type node, so it will calculate very fast. Yeah, you can use this medium node. I think somewhere here, right, in the filter tab. Yeah, here I think we have that medium node or somewhere. Here, yeah, in the filter tab we have somewhere. Let me find.
Yeah. Below
Is there?
metrics. No.
Where is
Here.
that? I'm not able
Here.
to
Here.
see. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Hmm.
You can use that, but let me check. I never use this tool. Let me check the alpha. Yeah, you can use that also, but I personally like this one, and I made one tool using this one, so you can use this one. So in this one, this is like a very straightforward tool. So I use this and it's fixed now, and we can uh, do it here. And as I said, we need to do a separate for this part, the hair part. See, it's overlapping, right? So we need to shrink it till here. Like we need a core from here, and we can have little bit of space for feathering to do a small color. But now it's here. So we'll do it separately. Okay,
Or else
so
we can do like we can use prime it
hmm,
and key mix it.
yeah. So someone
Hmm.
in the chat also asking about using different keyer and doing a key mixing thing. So I will show you. So let me quickly show you. So Noman already built this clean pad, okay, but you can see the hair part is missing, right? We can use this exclude mask here. Where is that? We are already using, right, here. So on top we can just add Roto,
Yes.
merge node, and we can view the clean plate, and now just view the clean plate here. And let me open the properties panel, and I can just add those hair part, and it will remove. Make sure you check the where you are using it. So let me just expose up, and make sure you add very close to the hair. Okay, don't do like this. Make sure very close to the hair, and view it here. It's removed from the clean plate. That means we can see in the alpha. Okay, if I disable this thing, see, now I can easily see this here. Okay, you may think this is not visible much, but in the end when we do the pre-mult and then when we do the additive, that time you will see this hair easily. Okay, that's why the clean plate is very important, because you're using clean plate twice, for your alpha creation when you do pre-mult and when we're doing additive.
Additive here. Yeah.
So that's why the clean plate is very important. If you do a little cheat, like if you saying that is fine, I don't need those hair and I will do that additive, then your additive will not gonna work. You may think I will recover these small hair detail in additive. Okay, but in order to work additive properly, you need a proper clean plate. Let's see here. You need to remove it from here. Okay, that's the idea of additive. We need a nice clean plate without the foreground.
Hmm.
So for this one also we can do like this and it's gone. And for this one also I can do like this
Hmm.
and it's
We
gone.
have to do like garbage roto,
Yeah,
but tight one. Yeah.
yeah. Now we have this alpha. If I disable this thing, you can see how much hair we recover here.
Hmm.
See this one also. In the alpha is not showing much, but when we do additive, it will show very nice detail in additive. But still we need alpha. We need a little bit hair detail in the alpha. So it's like mixing a both world, using creating small hair alpha in the here and using that same clean plate to add additive to enhance the more hair details. All
Hmm.
right. So this is Nomanded. I will use this setup here. I will show you that IBK stack method. I
Hmm.
think I have. Let me quickly search. Do I have IBK color tool set something? Yeah, IBK green. So this is I already share in my series. It's okay. So this is already shared where in my keying series, right? I did where keying series. I think it's very long back. So that time I shared the setup. So it basically link everything. So let me just quickly see why it's not visible here. Something is break.
No, no, you have to tweak values.
Oh yeah, I guess yeah,
Hmm.
yeah, I guess yeah. So let me increase this one and see. Yeah, okay. So let this. Make sure you not explode the plate here. Let's see. Yep. Yep, I think it's filled that area nicely. Let me see the light values and try to fill those how much I can. So
Hmm.
stop when you see this thing. Okay, when you see exploding your plate, that time you need to stop. Okay, okay. I think this much is fine, I guess. So in
Hmm.
this one, I'm doing erode maybe like two. I think let's do the five. Okay. Oh, I think it's switch. But okay. So this much is fine, I guess. Now in this one, if you see these things are linked. Yes, we are still working. Yeah, okay. So this one is the main IBK and all these you can say, let me open this one first. Let me show you the property. So in this one, you are all just selecting the green and just this size is 5, right? No, 0.5, right?
Yeah, you
Yeah,
can keep
yeah,
like 0.1, 0.5, whatever.
yeah. This is 0.5 by default and select this one. We need to do the erode. We don't need to do patching because in the second IBK color, we are doing that patching thing here. So
Hmm.
this is like 2, and if I go to this one, you can see it's increasing
Hmm.
number. This is 4, this is 8.
So
Now we
basically,
get
you have
16.
hmm
Yeah, and
you have
all
add
these, yeah,
expression.
yeah,
Yeah.
all these things are linked. I mean, this color value. So you have to only tweak in this master one,
Hmm.
this main one, and they all link.
Hmm.
And the patching starting from here, and the patching will link to all of them. All
Hmm.
right. So if I just view step by step, you can see we are filling, we are creating a clean put.
Hmm.
So but you can see there are more issues here. So if I view from here, you can see we have very nice clean put here. So if I only just remove this mask, you can see it's very nice here. So we need to do a little bit more tweaking. Yeah, let me
Hmm.
just drink of water. So in order to get similar result, we can just view it here. And I think you, how much you did here? Yeah, 6-0, right? Yeah, let me
Hmm.
do the 6-0 here, and I think I can tweak more color here. Let me
Hmm.
see. I think Shubham note, I think he did something special thing, I guess. we are getting a better result
No,
in the
actually,
IBK.
that exclude mask is there,
Yep,
na?
yep, yep, yep. I understand.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah. So okay. So in here we have that exclude mask, right? But here we don't have anything like that, right? So where we going to use that exclude mask? After this first one, now you can use that exclude mask, right? I'm correct, right?
Hmm.
Here we can use, right?
Hmm.
So let me just switch the input.
Okay, so this is how I have to use different rotos and merge workings.
Yeah. Okay. So I will use the same thing. Just connect here and leave it here. Okay. In this one, we have to set stencil.
Stencil, yeah.
Okay. So we get this, and then if you go and we will have this. Why? Because this alpha. Let me show you. For view is have this softness. We need to remove this thing. Okay. We
Hmm.
need 0 1 value. What I mean here is 1. You can see alpha is 1. When we go to the next pixel, it need to be 0. But we have this gradient, right? In
Hmm.
Shubham tool, he already added that 0 to 1 value for
Hmm.
upcoming rotos. That's why you are not getting that issue. But here
Hmm.
we will get that issue. Okay. So for
Yeah.
that, we can do a clamp, or we can use a grade also.
Hmm.
I will do the clamp one. Okay. And I'm pretty sure I need to enable this thing. Let me just view it here. I totally forgot this clamp thing. I think this one, right? Yeah, I'm not remember. So I will use a grade. So same thing. You just need to connect this one
Hmm.
and view it here and make sure select alpha, clamp this one, and you can just crunch this one.
Hmm.
Oh, sorry, not the lift one. This one.
Gamma, you can use
Yeah,
gamma
yeah,
also.
gamma also we can use. Yeah,
Hmm.
no, but gamma we get this, right? I
Yes,
think.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so that's why I use black.
Hmm.
So if you see, we get this. If you set 999, you get only 1
Hmm.
and 0 value. There is
Hmm.
no in between value. So if you put this thing in IBK, you have very nice thing. So there are
Hmm.
still this thing is missing. I guess I need to check. uh, I think this is because of the patching
Hmm.
thing. This is Roto is fine. The Roto is fine. Yeah, I think, yeah, see here we
Hmm.
have, I think I need to put 999. Yeah,
Hmm.
see, I
You
need to
can use
crunch very.
expression also, na? Subham is
Yeah,
suggesting. Yeah, you can use
yeah,
expression.
correct. Yeah, we
Yeah.
can use expression like this one. And
Hmm.
but I
Thank
want
you,
to show you
Subham.
the manual way. Yeah, Shivam is here. Yeah, so basically, let me view it here. Yeah, so this thing in the alpha, yeah, this is already alpha selection. So we can use this one and greater than 0.
No, no, A, na?
Oh,
It's alpha.
what?
Alpha, alpha,
Yeah,
not
yeah.
red.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, here alpha. Yeah, got it. Yeah,
Hmm.
because we have multiple, you can do the same thing for the red, green, blue, and
Hmm. Hmm.
alpha. Yeah, so we can use this one. This is very thing. There are like you can use clamp also, and you can use grade also. You can use expression also. It's up
Hmm.
to you which one you want to use. They're doing both. They're doing the same thing, but this one is very good. Always, expression is like
Very
uh,
light and.
procedural way to doing
Hmm.
stuff. It's very simple. So we are always try to use this uh, for adding alpha. People are using shuffle, and let's use this one. And if the plate don't have alpha, or in this case I have, but if the plate don't have alpha, people do like this. Okay, they create alpha using shuffle node. But I always use expression. Just
Hmm.
do the one here,
One.
and that's
Hmm.
it. You get your alpha. So small, and make sure here in the expression now, make sure you always type small letters 0. Okay, so if I view it here now, see, now it's clean. If I disable this thing, you see this is the mess, and we have
Hmm.
this now let's compare this plate to this IBK one. You can see there are difference, because in the Shubham node, the IBK color master, he doing very smart way of patching things.
patching things.
Yeah, the
Patch
rough,
roughly.
yeah, patch roughly. So I already explained this in my tutorial. So make sure you go and watch. I don't want to explain this again here because we are already how much time we spent it here? I think 1 hour plus. Yeah. So that's why
Hmm.
I don't want to explain here. But if you play this one, okay, let me just quickly catch. You can see the playback speed. Let me zoom in. You can see the playback speed, uh, 2 frames, I guess, almost, right?
Hmm.
2 frames per second we are getting here. Okay, let me go back and it's to a clear cache only. And let's view this stacking method. Let it catch. Okay. Okay, now let's come back. Let's view here. Okay, now let's play this and see. And you can see the, I think it's playing faster. I don't know.
Actually, we have used this thing na here.
Oh, yeah, yeah,
I
yeah,
think.
yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, yeah, correct, correct. Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. So we have displayed. We can use any of these. Let's view it here and see which one is giving better result. I think the Shubham one will give better result. I don't know. Yeah, they both are
Actually, it's the same
very,
thing na
yeah,
inside.
same. Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
Now I'm just checking the edges. I
Hmm.
thought the edges will little bit different, but yeah, yeah. See, I think little bit of difference here. If you explore the thing, see
Hmm.
in this one we see more messy. Here you see the less, but
Hmm.
that's fine. It's very simple thing. Okay, for this one, we'll use this one because it's very clean node and you can use it. I mean, it's very clean and it's not very heavy node. Okay,
Hmm.
but if I expose up, we can see a little bit of stuff here. Where is that? So sorry, here. Little bit of thing here. Okay,
Hmm.
if you sample this value now, you can see here. Let me zoom in. You can see the 0.08571. Okay, so what I always do, I add a one grade node for my soft key, view it
Hmm.
here, and always make I definitely alpha selection, and I reduce this value a little bit. I expose up first of all strongly. Okay,
Hmm.
then I reduce. Okay, let me like this.
Hmm.
Okay, if I see,
Okay.
yeah, okay, this much is fine, then I will do the normal view, and then I see, yeah, I can still see in the normal view it's not visible, and I think let me do up this much. Okay, and you can see it's affecting, it's not affecting that much, but in the fine hair detail I think it's affecting a lot.
Hmm.
So I will reduce this bit a bit
Or else we
more.
can do this mask thing na, just draw garbage roto.
Yeah, but I want to show you the this
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
this process. Okay, yeah, see this much is my, see we are removing this one also. Okay, whatever the this thing we are getting now, see this, we need to remove,
Hmm.
see this thing. That's why I'm
Hmm.
doing this. We removing, we can only see the this hard
Held.
hairline,
Hmm.
hairline only. See this, we are removing everything.
Hmm.
All right, that's why I'm doing this, so to get to remove this extra badness here also. Still see, we can see the hair detail, but remove that extra thing. That's, see when you do gamma now, that time you
Hmm.
can see more. See, because we added roto now, we see these pixels
Hmm.
in the
Hmm. Hmm.
edges.
Correct.
Always,
Yeah.
always see here also.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
That's why I always do this and remove completely. You can sample, like I'm just sampling how much this thing, and you can keep it some little bit. If I, yeah, see here gone.
Hmm.
So like point 0.3, and you can still see here little bit. I think what is the setting before. Yeah, I think this one is fine. Yeah, so the point 0.3 is okay. So then the core mat, as I said, Noman is doing the core mat with this IBK. I will try with this one first because I want to try it. Let's see. Auto clean BG. Let me do the BG first.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Then FG. Let's see how much I can recover. Okay. Yeah, here we are seeing some issue. Let me try one more time. Okay. Yeah. See. So in this situation, this is not gonna work. We are why we are not working? Yeah. Okay, let me go. Yeah, because we have this gradient here,
Shadow
right?
part, yeah.
Yeah, gradient we have. So I
Hmm.
think this is not gonna work. We can use this one also because we already
Hmm.
have soft key. He did a very good job to do
Hmm.
that.
Hmm. Or just show that key mix thing, na? Here
Yeah,
you
you
can
can
show.
show if you want. You can show your side.
Okay, so like it's very basic thing. So we have this much extra part we have, right? So what we can do?
I think what he asking,
What?
what he said about key mixing.
I forget.
Okay, let me check in the comment. Right, who's saying that?
Hemant.
Hemant, where is Hemant? I'm not able to see. Okay, fine, fine. Continue,
Mhm.
continue.
So we can use like different keyer like keyer for that part, just for this part we are doing now.
Yeah.
So we
So
will
if you
use.
have very complicated plate, right,
Hmm.
like for example, in this plate, you can see we have that gradient, right, dark to light
Hmm.
in the background. So you can separate light. You can key mix the dark part separately, and you can do light part separately for the keying. So
Hmm.
this is exactly he doing. He will show you the method how to combine multiple keyers. So the normal keyer node also consider this is also a keyer node. So you can use
Okay.
this.
So we have this result for now. So we
Hmm.
can what we can do, just key mix it.
Yeah, with the primate, right? Yep.
Hmm.
Yeah. So that's how you combine this one. So you
Hmm.
can combine alphas and you can combine your IBK also, IBK color to
Hmm.
create a good clean plate, right, Noman?
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah,
We can use multiple IBK color master or that stack method for
yeah,
separate parts and for hair detail
yeah.
and.
I think that is he asking, I guess.
Hmm. 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 So what we will do? We will
Yeah, I
just
think the current. Yeah,
mix this part.
yeah, like this. So
Hmm.
basically combine two keys together with key mix to make our alpha core mat like this,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
always add a blur node to the
Hmm.
roto.
Same thing for this. Like we can use multiple IB colors
Yeah,
master here. We can key mix. Like for example,
yeah, you can show
sometimes yeah, sometimes we have to do like separate IBK color master for separate this part,
clean plate. Yeah, creating
hmm
separate
this part and
clean
this
plate.
part.
Yeah,
Yeah, then we have to key mix it here.
yeah, yeah. I will show.
Hmm.
I will show. Okay.
Hmm.
So like as I said, that big setup here, we have this small one. So I can just copy this one, paste it here. Okay. I'm just connecting image to image and exclude mask to exclude mask, and then I can use key mix.
Hmm.
So I can just connect here and view it here. So here
Hmm.
I have this master clean plate. All right. So
Hmm.
this is my
Hmm.
master clean plate. I can connect A here, and for this specific node, let me just view from here.
Specific part.
Yeah,
You can do for
for
hair,
yeah, for the specific node, I will only focus on
hair.
specific part. Yeah. So for this
Yeah.
one, I will focus on this hair part. All
Hmm.
right. So I will view here and see. Yeah, we already did that. So, but just to show you the
No, no,
point.
just
Yeah, yeah.
do
Just to
this
show.
thing, na?
Yeah. Wait, wait,
2 minutes.
wait.
Okay.
I will show you. So I'm just removing from here. Okay, just to show you the point. So in this one, we have this bad one. Got it?
Hmm. Hmm.
And
Hmm.
in the second one, let me just move it here. I don't know. I'm getting a lag. Okay. In the second one, I will view it here and take our one Roto and connect this one here. So in the second one, I did the clean plate for the hair.
Hmm.
And the first one, this is overall clean plate for that
Hmm.
entire thing. And
Hmm.
here I will key mix with the help of Roto. So I can just go here, select ellipse, and I think this much area I need. So I will just
Hmm.
key mix. So
Hmm.
now I key mix these two together. See, I have
Hmm.
one this one for hair, and this is my master, and I'm combining here. And make sure you add a blur always, like I'm setting up 30. So
Hmm.
and then it will go to my IBK gizmo and I can view. The result will be same if I, no, because I keep it, so, but you can see that's how you can add, but the edge is the same. Okay, if I connect this one directly here, okay, you can see
Hmm.
it's the same thing. You only need to focus on the edges here.
Hmm.
Okay, no need to worry about what's happening inside here. So
Hmm.
like this. Okay, so this is how you can key mix basically. Focus on separate part, like for the hair, this is my master and I'm focusing on here. You can focus on this part separate and key mix here and
Hmm.
make a master clean plate, and then use your IBK to do the soft key. That's it. That's
Hmm.
the whole point of key mixing thing. So for in this case, I think I'm not doing the key mix. In this, when you do key mix now, you have two nodes. Okay, it will calculate a lot. So that's why in the beginning, Norman said always do
Always do
pre-comp.
pre-comps. Yeah.
So that's the, let me delete this one. So always do the pre-comp and you're good to go. Okay, so now we have this. Let me just remult here. So remult, and we have this, and now we're adding on the background. So we have
Hmm.
this. So let's quickly, I think, fix this one, and then we will see what we can do for the core mat. So as he said, he added this one keychu. So this keychu is like you added overall. We need to shrink it down. You can see this fine hair detail here, right, Noman?
Hmm. Hmm. Yes. Yes.
So I think we can
You.
use this mask option, right?
Yeah.
Pretty easily, right? Yeah. So I will
Hmm.
use that. So I think for this one, how you doing? You can tell. I
You can
mean,
keep new Kichu. Just keep new Kichu.
yeah, okay. New, or I'm just copy pasting this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Attach below.
yeah.
Yeah. And just use
Roto.
one roto.
Yeah, for the head,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Let me draw a circle. Yeah, I think this much
Hmm.
is fine.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Use a blur. Uh, like, yeah, this much is fine. 10. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
And for this specific one, I can reduce bit more, right? Yeah, it's already reduced because the
We
value
have
is
used
twice.
that
Yeah,
same one, na? That's
yeah,
why.
yeah, yeah. So I will do it my way. Okay, I will adjust the value
Hmm.
according to my taste.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, this much. You can tell me if I'm doing something wrong.
Hmm.
I think this much is fine. Let me see the final. Always see your result in final, how it's looking, because if I disable here, you can see, you may think the hair is lost, everything is lost, but we need this thing because we are adding
Hmm.
additive also. And if you view your alpha here now, we have this. Okay, but I think we need a little bit more. If I disable this
Yeah.
core now,
Hmm.
yeah, I think we need to
We have to
go,
shrink more. Yeah.
yeah, shrink more. So I'm just doing this way.
Hmm.
Okay, like this. Okay,
Hmm.
so this is like we are doing separate because this part is very soft. If I view plate now, this is very soft, you can see, and this
Hmm.
edge is very hard. So for the hard edge is very easy to do, but this kind of thing is very hard. See that transparency, we need that all
Hmm.
transparency.
I
And
think we have
here,
to use separate Kichu for
yeah,
this
separate.
forehead part.
Yeah, for this forehead, let me see,
Hmm.
it's
See?
affecting. Yeah, so that's how you, yeah, I think for the, wait, let me just, no, I think
See?
it's fine.
No,
Yeah,
no, see?
yeah.
We are losing so much core there.
Yeah, so you can use this, copy paste this one.
Yeah.
So that's why that's the reason in the studio when we have this kind of shot now, I mean in every shot, whether it's click green screen or not, you always get a roto, right, no
Hmm.
man?
Yeah.
For like for roto, for this chair, for this girl head, and for this thing, everything you will get roto.
Hmm.
You may think why we need roto, we can just do a key and all the thing. No, that's the process. We need to do a roto for every shot, so we can use in this kind of situation, or in this kind of situation where Norman did this luma key and to add in the extrude mask. If we have that roto, we can just directly add as mask. That's it. We don't need to do this kind of stuff. But it's not the always case. So sometimes we have to do this kind of stuff and
Hmm.
the small rotos like this. So let's do that quickly. We open this one, and I think for the forehead, right? I think I need to remove it from the
Yeah, stencil out.
I need to
Yeah.
stencil out, right?
Hmm.
Here I can do a stencil. I can add one roto, and I can go into the shape tab, and I can just remove it from here.
Hmm.
And you can add another one here, right? I can add.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Wait, let me just.
Instead of this, na,
Yeah,
just do like take separate roto.
yeah, I'm doing
Uh,
separate roto also. Yeah,
no,
yeah,
no.
got it
So we
open.
can use same roto for
Yeah,
both masks.
yeah, got it open. Yeah. So I'm just copy pasting this one. In this one, I'm just deleting this one, keeping this circle one, and in this main one, deleting the circle one.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm. Just put stencil. Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm doing this stenciling thing here and
Hmm.
merging thing below.
Hmm.
Stencil. Oh yeah, I need to enable this thing. Yeah, value one. Now it's stenciling here.
Hmm.
All right, and in this one I need to add.
Hmm.
So let's view it here, and we can play around with the setting. Okay, so like
Hmm. Hmm.
this, and we have this separate. So I think let's.
Keep it 15 maybe.
Yeah, I think this much is fine, right? Yeah,
Hmm.
I think
Hmm.
blur. Let's see. Yeah, I think this much is fine. Let's see. And for this one, you can see heart edge here. You can
Hmm.
add. You can down this one. You can just add a bit follow here.
Hmm.
You need to see the result in the final here, and then you can move this accordingly.
Hmm.
Yeah, I think this much is fine. Yeah, here also I can do like this.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
We created this small setup, okay, with this one, and I'm not doing dispel, just disabling this one so you can see the spell. Let's enable the default one. Okay.
Hmm. We
And
will
let's.
do this dispel thing in next stream, right?
Yeah.
We'll
Let me quickly
hmm.
add additive. Should we add additive, or we can do it later?
We can do it later, I think.
Yeah, so we can see the how much
For now,
detail
you
we can
can show
recover.
like one rough.
Yeah, I will show you the method of doing manual additive. Okay, is anyone saying about? Yeah, that's what I'm asking for. Thank you for both. Yeah, okay, Karan, thank you. Okay, so I will do additive, but I'm not gonna use any gizmo. I will do manual method to show you the how to additive work and how additive process is. It's very simple. It's just math operation, divide and multiply method. That's it.
Hmm.
That is all you need to do additive. But in the gizmo, you get some extra features to add a color and change the color and
Hmm.
intensity and
Pick
all
the
those
color,
things.
saturation, and all.
Yeah. But the easiest way, let me quickly show you. So this is our clean plate here. Let me add a dot, and this is our clean plate,
Hmm.
right? So this is my clean plate, and I need a plate. So we have a shuffle here, so we can shuffle out the plate. Okay, so I'm just adding one more dot. For this one, I'm just doing like this. In the next time, I will set up this very. Let how it's connecting here. Add the dot. Oh wait, I think it's doing a twice operation. Let me delete. Add one more and do this. Hmm. Wait a minute, guys.
Okay. So what we can do? We will take this clean plate here.
Wait, yeah, I'm back. Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
yeah. Sorry, guys. So it is connected. Yeah, okay. Let me quickly do that. So this dot, let me just moving here. So we have the clean plate, then I can use a shuffle node to extract that plate channel. That's why we created, so we can use that channel multiple places. So let me extract that plate, so we get this plate. So if you view
Mm,
these two
I think we have
things,
to use a Deno split because we are
yeah,
doing
correct,
clean
exactly,
plate on Deno, you know.
yeah, denoise plate. Okay, so if you view from here, so this clean plate, we don't have FG, but we have BG matching with the plate. If you view here, you can see only difference is the FG, the character, and that ship.
Hmm.
So the background need to match pixel to pixel. You can see here. You don't need to change it. If there is change, then your additive will messed up. Okay. So what you need to do, we need to take just simply one merge and do the divide operation here, and just do the multiply on your background. Let me just do that like this, and I think then you need to despill your
Both, yeah.
clean plate, sorry, your clean plate and your
Plate.
plate. So I will do the basic despill, AP despill. I'm not doing proper despill, I'm just adding a despill node. That's it. Okay. I can select the color, right? Let's select the color, I guess that will be good. Okay, like this. Now you can see it's getting gray, so that's very good. Let's do that here also in the plate. So now the both input are displayed. Ignore this thing. Okay. Now if we merge here, you can see we added a additive, right, like this.
Hmm.
And the color, you can see we need to do a display here properly. Then we can fix that. But for now, let's leave it like this, and
Hmm.
then we can view it here. And if I zoom in, now you can see how much hair detail we added. You can see.
Hmm.
So all the head details, and here everything is come back, but some extra thing is coming here in the hard edge. That's why I always use additive for the soft edges. If the plate have soft edges, I'm only using there,
Hmm.
right? You can see in the hard edges, I think we don't need to do anything. It's create white edges more. You can see before is very nicely, see.
Hmm.
Except this small black line, but we have very nice edge here.
Hmm.
So for this one, we can use we can do a key mix. Again, we are doing a key mix, so like this. So let me just move it on side. Want to create one dot here, view it here, and connect this one here, and use a key mix again. So when doing keying, you will use a key mix a lot. This is your best friend. So let's disable and connect the mask. So I'm only adding a hair. So like this, and view it here. Add a blur. Let's increase like this. So now key mix in this part. That's it. So that's it. This is very simple divide and multiply method. The tools, the gizmos allow you to change the brightness, change the color very easily. You can do it here also. After dispelling, you can change the color or whatever. The brightness, all those things you can do. But the gizmos is like very useful. I don't know if I have dispel madness. I think I don't have madness. In the studio and everywhere, dispel madness is very popular, but I use AP dispel a lot. Or you can, we will talk about dispel thing in the next part. I don't want to do a dispel right now. So this is how you can do, and you can just make that connection a bit like this. Make sure you add uh, dots and make your L shape like this. Okay, and yeah, I think this is fine. Here I'm also doing this thing. Just do like this, and this is mask. Let me do like this and like this. Okay, like this. Yeah, I think this is fine. Okay, so this is very simple one, and then let's do the grade also. Let's open this one and analyze. Let's quickly analyze, and we will adding a grain. So anyone is saying, Karan, what he's saying? Hey guys, I have one question. What if we have a tracking marker in the plate and after removing them, I wrote out the character and I use that in IBK after or first do I IBK and in the end I have to cut out that character only. Uh, Remove your character from a clean plate. Okay, do your marker remove first. Okay, after you remove your marker, then you can insert your marker remove as your main plate here. Assume I have a marker here, I will remove that marker, or here interactive marker, I will remove that marker first, and then I will add here, do a denoise plate and do your IBK like this, and get your, I mean, get your clean plate like this. Okay, and uh, then add your core mat and pre-mult. I think that's the question. And in the end, after doing pre-mult, then you can cut out your character if there extra space available. I mean, if there extra green screen is there, so you can uh, do here. You can do here. You can just do like this. Like assuming, wait, no, I'm doing normal. I think uh, like this. Just assuming this much I need, so I can use this and I can just mask out this much area like this, and then I can merge with the background. So if you're not understanding and is there anything in your shot is different, we will take a look together. Okay, so this is the process. Yeah, no man, you controlling something.
Oh, sorry, my mic
Yeah,
was off. So what I am saying,
yeah,
we can do here, right?
yeah,
After
yeah,
this.
yeah. We can do here. Then it will promote. But I
Hmm.
prefer down if we need to remove some extra props or something in the plate
Hmm.
that time.
But we
Or
can do
hmm,
directly in alpha, right? We can just add merge here, stencil
yep,
out.
yep. You can
Hmm.
do here and after promote you can also do
Hmm.
that.
Hmm.
So I think hope you guys are understand the alpha creation process. It's not like doing a one key and it's done. We need to combine multiple things. We have to do some manual rotos also sometimes. So let me know if you have any question regarding this thing, or Norman, you want to share something from your side
No, no, for now
to
it's fine.
yeah, yeah, to creating alpha, or it's done. We can wrap up.
Yeah, for now we can pack up.
Yeah, we can
We
wrap up,
will
right?
do, yeah.
Okay.
In next stream we can do this build thing.
Yeah, yeah. We will discuss about DSPL and why it's important and how to set up these two core DSPL and edge DSPL properly.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, I think I will end this stream now, and we will see you in the next stream. So I will switch the slide to the end slide, and after 1 or 2 minutes, I will end the stream. Okay. So thank you for
Okay.
watching this stream, and I hope you learned something about this. Guys, try to do the next class keying with expression. What do you mean by expression?
Okay, I think I get my
What
answer.
he's saying, do you understand Aman, what he's saying about keying with expression?
I don't know.
Yeah. We never do keying with expression. We have a very nice tool in Nuke, so we can use those to visually see what we are doing. So in studio now, I will tell you one thing. In the studio now, we always use IBK. Okay, there is no alternative tool. You can use sometime key light, just like you're saying, mixing multiple keys together, but IBK is always there. Create a clean plate, that's the best way. What things you done in Palki? What scenes? I
I
think
think you can share our breakdown, right?
yeah.
File.
You can also share na in the chat. If
Okay,
yeah,
I'm 2 minutes.
you can share your you can share the link in the chat. Guys, make sure go and watch the breakdown. You can. I also tag the Granite Imagery in the title, so you can open their channel
Yeah,
directly
I
from
have
there.
I have paste. I have shared link on chat, so you can guys check it out our Kalki work.
Yeah, you can go and watch that. Okay, someone can you tell the tips about keying shot with blue screen and the green marker in the background in the hair? So see, for the marker remove, you have to do the prep thing and you need to remove those marker. Okay, there are some method you can color correct and then you can remove. I saw somewhere, but at the end we have to remove marker manually. Okay, I think your screen is ended. I think Oman is disconnected, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
I have disconnected.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay, and can you tell me the blue screen and the green marker in the background? Yeah, and the king process is the similar. Like if you have blue screen, the whatever we did here, the same process you have to follow. There is no difference. Sir, I have a question. What I just checked your Patreon site. Yeah, I have a Patreon, so you guys can go and check there. $17? I don't have $17. No, bro, I don't have $17. What you are talking about? I have I think $6. I have $1 and $6 and I think $12. I guess. Yeah, I three types of plan I have. Okay, I think we can wrap up, right?
Yeah.
So it's already
Okay.
too late, right? Okay,
Hmm.
guys, thank you for watching, and
Okay.
we will end up right now. And in the next one, we will discuss more about keying and all those things.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys.
Yeah, yeah, we
Thank
will
you
do
for
whatever
having
you
me.
guys are
Yeah.
saying. I read it every comment, so we will try to do everything. Yeah, yeah, no man, you're saying yeah,
Yeah. No, I'm just saying thank you for having me. Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Always, always.
Yeah.
You are the man of Kalki.
No, no, no.
Cool, cool.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching again. We will see you in a very next one. Bye.
Bye.
Have a great day.
Yeah.